This is the most satisfying rice growing journey you'll ever see. To begin, it all starts with seed selection. Only high-quality seeds are chosen, soaked in clean water to kick-start germination. After soaking, they're incubated in warm trays with high humidity. Once they sprout, the seedlings are carefully placed onto nursery trays, filled with nutrient-rich soil. Farmers pay close attention to spacing, so that each seedling gets enough light, water, and air to grow evenly and strong. Kubota tractors to plow the land 15 centimeters deep. This breaks up dry, compacted soil and gets it ready for planting. Then rotary tillers mix the top layer into a soft, even surface. Next, laser leveling smooth out the field with just 1 centimeter variance, so water spreads evenly. This step may look basic, but it boosts seedling survival by 30% and prevents dry patches. It's the first key to a healthy rice crop. Then after about 10 days, the rice seedlings are ready to move. Farmers carefully roll each tray and place them on a soft conveyor line by the field. This simple but smart system reduces heavy lifting, saves time, and keeps seedlings safe. At the end, trays are neatly stacked and loaded onto trucks, ready for transplanting. If this part impressed you, hit like and subscribe to support our work. Drop a 1 in the comments if you want more videos like this, or a 9 if you'd like something different next time. Your feedback helps us grow. Next, in the fields, the soil is already plowed and flooded. Instead of planting by hand, farmers use mechanical transplanters. These machines gently press each seedling into the soft soil, with precise spacing and depth. My baby. fast, neat, and replaces hours of hard labor. Each row is evenly placed, allowing the roots to anchor firmly, while giving each plant space to thrive. A few weeks later, about a month after transplanting, the rice plants will be taller and healthier. Then there is the Kubota weeder and weed man. It removes weeds between rows without harming young plants. Just one tiller can clear 6 rows in less than 10 minutes. Reducing labor by 70%, it is clean, quiet, and perfect for eco-friendly farms. During this phase, farmers closely monitor for pests and diseases. Instead of spraying blindly, they apply pesticides only when needed, protecting the crop while reducing chemical use. Water levels are adjusted, and fertilizer is added as needed to ensure uniform growth across the entire field. Compared to backpack spraying, drones work 5 times faster and cut labor by 80%. Less exposure, more safety, and better coverage with every flight. Finally, after 4 months, the rice turns yellow and heavy. John Deere S790. A 625 horsepower machine built to dominate wet rice fields. In southern Taiwan, it harvests up to 6.5 tons per hour, while gliding through muddy ground with ease. What makes it smart? Real-time sensors that adjust speed, fan and rotor to reduce grain loss and save fuel. With just one pass, it cuts, threshes, and cleans the rice all in a single seamless motion. Next is the C-Last Lection 890TT, the strongest in its class with 790 horsepower. It runs on rubber tracks, giving it better traction and flotation in soft paddies. In thick rice fields near Taichung, this machine cuts through heavy loads like butter, delivering cleaner grains and reducing harvest time by 35%. Its massive header and grain tank mean fewer stops, while its precision system ensures every kernel is saved. It's smart, efficient, and built for tough conditions.